Hello viewer, we will use these designs to explore the more option. Let's have some changes there. I will take another design to use the shapes here. I will have the designs, add a paint to it. So we will keep on generating the different shapes, explore the new option. So there we are making the designs here.